Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to learn about that how we can write the multiple line string in JavaScript, right? So there are two main methods, that is one using the escape character and second is using the template literals. So let's start with the escape character. So let's take a variable named const message equals to, inside of this we will write this is the first line and this is the second line. Now I want to break this line, right? So for that we can simply use the escape character, as you can see here, like this, right? So simply write this like this. Fine. Now if you go to your console.log and message like this, and you go and check, you can find that this is the first line and this is the second line, as you can see, right? This is how the line got broken into two different lines and we got the multiple line string. So by this you can convert the one line string into a multiple line string with the help of escape character. Now coming up to the template literal part, so it is also very simple. You can write const messages equals to, right? Now inside of this you have to use the backtick, not this and not this. These two are not allowed, because inside of this if you write multiple line string it will show error, right? So you need to use the backtick which is present below the escape key, right? So simply inside of this you can write the text like this, that this is the first line and this is the second line. After that, after writing this whole line, you can simply break it according to you, just simply like this, like this and like this. I divided into the four different lines. Now if I go and check it inside my console like this, let's see that how it works. So you can see it got broken into four different lines according to me, right? So this is how we can write the multiple line strings with the help of simple escape and the template literal. Well, template literal is recommended more because it becomes very easier to work, because as in the escape character you need to mention this escape character every time when you want to break the line, but in template literal simply just use a backtick and write whatever way you want to write your string. It will be printed in the same way accordingly, right? So I hope you understood both the method. The template literal is recommended more. So if you like, then make sure that you hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.